So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix YouTube PiP not working on iPhone. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on general. Now here tap on picture in picture. Now once you do this, turn off this toggle. Now wait for a few seconds and then turn it on back again. Now once you do this, PiP mode should work on YouTube. Now in case if that doesn't fix the issue, then force restart your iPhone. For this, press the volume up button, then press volume down button, and then press and hold the power button. Like this. Release the power button once you see the Apple logo. Now once your phone restarts, this will fix the issue. So this is how I can fix YouTube PiP not working on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.